Find and replace is a really great command to make your life a lot easier too. The shortcut for find and the easiest way to do it is just to hit Control F. It works the same way in Office 365 as it does in your desktop version of Word, but I'll show you both of them just to make sure. So I'm going to search for the word Word, and it's going to find all the places I have Word over here in this document. If I click on the three dots just beneath my search field, I can pull up a replace field, and I can say every time I see the word word, replace it with the word dog. And I can either replace just that one. See what happens if I do that. There you go, it changed to dog, or I can replace all of them. The same thing happens. Let me just undo that. There you go. The same thing happens if you're in a Word document on your desktop. Control F leads you to a find, and I'll search for the word Word. Gives me all my results. And this time I just click on the drop-down arrow underneath it, and I find replace. And it opens up another document where I can say replace one, replace all of them, or look at all of them and replace them as I want to. Because you see in here, it finds Word with a capital letter and Word with a lowercase letter. So it's a great tool to be able to like take the years out of one document and make it into a new document for the new year. Find and replace.